Good morning, student. Nice to see you in the English class this morning. Okay, after you have already followed the midterm test, right now our English class is going to talk about the telling time. Telling time, mengungkapkan waktu. Okay, look at this. This is an analog clock face. Okay, there are 12, number 1 to 12. It marks that, itu artinya adalah menandakan bahwa dalam jam ini ada 12 hours, ada 12 jam, ya kan? Ada 12 jam. Okay, it numbers around the clock are 12. Number 1, 2, 3, 6, 8, 10, up to 12. Okay, and how to telling the time? The lines around the edge, okay, are minutes. Ini bagian yang ini, lingkaran yang ini adalah merupakan menit. Okay, it means that, artinya bahwa there are 60 minute mark on the clock. Jadi ada itu 60 menit, 5 menit, 10 menit, 15 menit, 20 menit, 25 menit, 30 menit, 35 menit, 45, and so on, sampai seterusnya sampai 60. Okay, this is because there are 60 minutes in hours. Ada 60 menit dalam satu jam. Okay, for example, contohnya ke-12, ke-1 itu adalah 60 menit. And then we know that, kita tahu bahwa, ya kita Bapak bilang tadi, 60 minutes are on the clock. 60 menit are on the clock. Okay, 60 menit yang ada pada jam ini. 5, 10, 15, 12, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and 60 minutes. 4 hours. Okay. And then, I look at this. The small hand, that points to the hours. Okay. Jadi, small or the short hand, ini adalah jarum pendeknya, short or small hand. Okay. Point the hours. Ini menunjukkan jam. Kalau yang ini menunjukkan jam. The big hand or the long hand, jadi yang panjang ini, jarum panjangnya itu point the minutes. Okay, you should get this point. Kamu harus mendapatkan poin yang ini. Short hand point to the hours, and this one, long hand, point to the minutes. When the big hand or when the short hand, the big hand point 12, the time is o'clock. Okay, when the long hand point 12, it means that o'clock. For example, here short hand point 3 and a long hand point 12. It means that 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock. Okay. And 4 quarters. Kalau dalam bahasa Indonesia ini untuk menunjukkan yang seperempat. Ya, yang seperempat. Look at this. If we were slice the clock into 4 equal section, kalau kita membagi jam ini menjadi 4 bagian yang sama, we have 4 quarters. Jadi kita dapat 4 bagian. Each quarter represents a 50-minute section. Jadi setiap bagian yang ada di sini itu mewakili 15 menit. For example, from 12 to 3, 15 minutes, 3 to 6, 15 minutes, and 6 to 9, 15 minutes also, and 9 to 12, 15 minutes. Okay, jadi ada 4 bagian nanti saat kita mengatakan quarters. Contohnya, a long hand or 12 o'clock, long hand point number 3, it means 15 or quarters, and here is a half, here also quarter, and this one clock, quarter, half, quarter, clock. Okay. And then when the big hand moves, okay, when the big hand moves from the 12 to the 3, okay, big hand, from 12 to 3, it is quarter past hour, okay, 12 means that quarter past the hour, okay, quarter past. Okay, this is because the big hand has moved, okay, the big hand has moved a quarter of the way around the clock face. Karena ini melewati, jarum panjangnya melewati seperempat tadi, maka kita katakan dengan quarter. Okay. And then when the big hand moves from 12, ketika jarum panjangnya itu bergerak dari jam 12 ke jam 6, it is half past, okay, half past the hour. Jadi half past the hour, okay, half past the hour. In this picture, it is half past 4. Hour-nya jamnya itu adalah 4, because the short end point number 3. Okay, sorry, point number 4, not number 3, but number 4. Then, and when the big hand also move from 9 to 12, it is quarter to the hours. Okay, it is also 9. Okay, we say also quarter. Ketika nanti jarum panjang pada jam 9, kita juga ini kita katakan dengan quarter to. Kalau yang tadi adalah quarter past, kalau yang ini adalah quarter to. Okay, quarter to the hour. In this picture, it is, okay, the long hand in the 9, okay, so it is a quarter to 5, not a quarter to 4, but a quarter to 5, because the long hand point number 9. Jadi karena jarum panjang ini menunjukkan angka yang 9. Okay, and look at this. This is the digital clock. This is digital clock. This is a digital clock. The hours are to the left of the column. Okay, the hours, left of the column. The minutes are the right of the column. Okay, the minute on the right. The hours on the left. Okay, left and the minutes on the right. You can see this on the cell phone or your microwave at home. yeah, everything use digital clock. Okay, don't forget to see that telling the time by looking for digital clock, the hours on the left, but the minutes on the right. Okay, don't forget it. And then AM and PM. 12 AM is midnight. We are sleeping at this time, midnight. Most of people are sleeping in this time. And 12 PM is noon. Most of people also do lunch. Okay. Jadi jam 12.00 itu PM. Kalau jam 12 malam hari itu dikatakan dengan AM. Okay. AM and PM. When we say AM, we are referring to the hours before noon. Kalau kita katakan AM, maka kita itu merujuk kepada jam sebelum siang. And when we say PM, we are referring to the hours past noon. Ketika kita mengatakan PM, maka kita itu berdasarkan pada jam setelah siang hari. Ya, AM and PM, easy way to remember AM and PM. AM itu artinya adalah after midnight. PM itu adalah past morning. Let's draw in your clock and draw your own example. Menjadi dua kan yang sebelah kanan ini akan menunjukkan lewat, kalau yang di sini akan menunjukkan menuju, gitu ya. Jadi kalau dia long hand, if the long hand point 6 move from 12 to 6, we call or we say past, and then if the long hand move from 6 to 12, we say 2, gitu ya, untuk menanyakan jamnya. Okay, and look at this. As you know, from 12 to 1 is 5 minutes. 10 minutes pass. Okay, in this case is 10. Berarti 5 minutes past 10. Kalau di sini 10 minutes past 10. Ini adalah a quarter past 10. Di sini 20 past 10, sini 25 past 10, and then here is half past 10. Okay, itu untuk menyatakan jam. Jadi the shorthand point 10, okay, and the longhand point number 2, it means 5 minutes, 10 minutes. So untuk mengatakannya kita katakan dengan it is 10 past 10, 5 past 10, 10 past 10, a quarter past 10, and so on. Okay, and this one is, okay, if the long hand around here, maka so we can say, kalau dia itu jarum panjangnya sini, kita akan hitung dia, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So what time is it? It is 25 to, jadi kalau di sini jam 10, berarti dia sudah menuju shorthand-nya ini menuju ke jam 11. Jadi kita akan mengatakan 25 to 11. Jadi maju satu langkah clock-nya. Kalau longhand-nya move from 6 to 12. Gitu kan? Berarti 20 minutes to 11, 20 minutes to 11, a quarter to 11, 10 minutes to 11, and 5 minutes to 11 o'clock. Itu untuk menunjukkannya. Okay, so you know, midday and midnight, AM and PM. Okay, look at here. Jadi kalau ini coba, what time is it? Yeah, it is 3 o'clock. What time is it? Yes, it is 20 to 1. Okay, longhand-nya ini show or point 8. It means It means